Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, right here, guys, we'll be demonstrating on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You will, guys, have two fuse boxes specifically. One is under the hood above the radiator fan, and the other one that we will need today specifically is inside the vehicle, under the glove box on the right side by the kick panel. You open the cover, and once you open it, you will see a fuse box that will look just like this one. We took the picture, zoomed it a little bit so we can clearly show you where each fuse is located, so we can see it in detail. And also let's explain why it's very important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check for the headlight switch, if you come in this row right here on the very left side, remember, guys, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. You start from the very top. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That fuse, guys, that 15 amp fuse in our case, okay, that's a fuse that we need to check for the headlight switch. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.